Minister Babalanda, while presiding over a 3 days closing capacity building workshop retreat for all resident district commissioners, city commissioners, deputy resident commissioners, city commissioners, deputy resident city commissioners, assistant resident district commissioners, assistant resident city commissioners, regional internal security officers, and district internal officers from Teso and Sebei sub-region, scheduled from 16th to 18th December 2024, held at Akelo Hotel, Soroti City. The purpose of the workshop was to re-echo the fundamental role that the RDC play in serving the interests of His Excellency the President in their respective areas of responsibilities and supporting seamless implementation of government programs and projects for the well-being of Ugandans. Another purpose for the workshop was to remind the RDCs about their roles and responsibilities in the service delivery value chain for Uganda's socio-economic transformation.
For social transformation. I have known for over 20 years how close wise.
Minister Babalanda sounded a warning to the RDCs, saying that anybody involved in indiscipline will face the disciplinary committee. The minister also tasked the RDCs to avoid political engagements ahead of the 2026 elections. Honorable Babalanda highlighted that RDCs do not have a mandate to arrest suspects, adding that it is the responsibility of the police.
We are going to elevate some of you to replace those ones who will be going stand in the political positions, but according to performance. Put it in mind that those who are going for political positions, we don't have space for you again. I am informed some of RDCs in Teso sub-region who are not keen at following the guidance the office gives to manage your function. The case in point is the RDC of Katakwi, Major Katamba, who recently ordered for the imprisonment of AUE DCL staff using the names of one of the leaders in the district.
Colonel Emi Katabazi, Deputy Director General Internal Security Organization, while delivering a lecture to RDCs, urged them to mobilize for the president votes come 2026.
Continuity of the revolution. Uganda must remain the center of gravity for Africa's strategic security and socio-economic transformation of the NRM revolution, so that Uganda remains the center of gravity for Africa's strategic security and socio-economic transformation.
Daudi Migereko, the former Minister for Lands, Housing and Urban Development, while delivering a lecture, urged the districts to address the issue of funds being returned to Kampala at the end of the financial year. Migereko also encouraged the people of Teso to embrace irrigation, highlighting the region's abundance of land suitable for agriculture.
Issues of peace and security have to be taken very seriously by all the RDCs, because that's the starting point for mobilization. That is the starting point when it comes to getting support for government. The other issue is economic empowerment. Even when we have peace and security, we still must try to get programs that empower our people economically. My message to the RDCs is that they have got the prime responsibility of making sure that issues of economic empowerment in their areas of this jurisdiction are given the attention that they deserve.